Reviewed discount unbox and setup. The PC shipped fast and it's lightning fast. It is a bit high priced for my wallet, but I couldn't be more happy with it. CYBERPOWERPC is hands down the most reliable PC I've ever had, and their customer service is fantastic. My old PC was CyberPower and it still works, but it's very outdated now. I had it for nearly 8 years. It owes me nothing. I got more use out of it than what I paid for when I bought it. I highly recommend this PC to any gamer on a budget. I've had no issues with the PC so far, and when it was shipped it was packaged very well. Does everything I needed to. Great upgrade from an old 2012 PC. Can play PC games plus stream or local record in 720p 60, which is exactly what I purchased it for and at a price I was more than willing to pay. The fans on the unit are exceptionally quiet and the LED lighting is subtle, not obnoxious. Overall would recommend for anyone looking for a value gaming rig and already has monitors. Special discounts on product. Get the discount link in the description box.